Now we are seeing types of fractions. Types of fractions. uh, the first one is proper fractions. So here number or numerator is less than denominator. So what is numerator denominator? When we say, let's say this is 1 by 8, so the base part is known as denominator, and the upper part is numerator. So proper fractions are such fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. Let's take examples. Let's say this is a triangle. Now I have divided triangle in equal shape. Let's draw it again. So I have divided triangle in equal shape and selected two shapes out of that. So the representation will be 2 by 3, or we say representation will be 3 and 2. 2 by 3, that is numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. And in this case numerator is less than denominator, that is proper fraction. Now let's take one more example. Here I divided a shape into 4 equal parts and selecting 3 out of that 4. So the fraction representation of this will be selecting 3 out of 4, and here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator, and 3 is less than 4, that is numerator is less than denominator, hence it's a proper fraction. Now ahead we can see improper fraction, next type. Here numerator either equal to or greater than the denominator. So let's take examples. Let's say I have divided two parts, this shape in two parts, and selected two parts only. This is selection. So divided into two parts and selected two parts. So numerator and denominator are equal. So it's a improper fraction. There is one more. Let's say these two shapes as a whole, and I have divided them equally and going to select first 2 out of, so 3 out of 2 shapes. That way means I have selected 3 out of 2 main shapes, 3 out of 2 shapes. Here numerator is greater than, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. Numerator is greater than denominator, that is 3 is greater than 2. That's the improper fraction. Now moving ahead, there is one more type. It's a mixed fraction. So here combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. So this is, let's say these are total 3 shapes, and these are 2 whole shape. I'm going to select these as whole shapes, and I have divided this shape into 3 equal parts. So these 3 are whole shapes, are equal shapes. Out of that, in the last shape I have internally divided into, again subdivided into 3 equal shape. So, and out of that I am selecting a one shape. So how do you represent this? So these are 2 whole shapes plus, in the last situation, 3 equal parts, selecting one, that is 1 by 3. So total 2 plus 1 by 3. This is the representation of this kind of fractions, and it is written as 2 1 by 3. And you can convert in this into improper fraction as let's say mix to improper fraction is 2 1 by 3 is just whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. So it comes to 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 divided by 3, that is 7 by 3. Thank you.